Welcome in, everybody. Before I get into this evening's update, I want to go over a quick reason why I decided to come on. I've done two pretty extensive updates. I did a live for about a half hour, so make sure you watch that if you want the in-depth, my own technical analysis on the charts and a very detailed breakdown of what's going on with the technical analysis. At the very end of this, I'm going to look at XRP for the technical side of things, and we're going to go over it probably in 60 seconds after I get done reading this. And we will look to see what's happening before the daily close. As you know, we're trying to stay above 55 cents. And I'm going to read in why XRP finds golden cross again. And I want to get into this because you've seen it on my charts. You've seen what's happening. You know the weekly golden cross that is about to push back up now with this weekly cross. Or the weekly close, if it stays above 55 cents, is huge. Up at 57 will be the next goal for the next week. I know it seems lame, but you're just trying to break it by level. Back in the pattern, if you watch earlier, I'll give you a quick breakdown right now. Going back in the pattern, 55 cents and 57 cents were very key pivot points. Every time it came up over 55 to 57, even if it broke it, if it came back down below 55 and got rejected, big drops. Every time it came up to 55 cents, use that as a support, and then later laddered over to 57, use that as a support. It parabolically rose to no less than 63 cents, but it usually had bigger bounces to 90 cents, 95 cents, 87 cents, something in that range. So that's what we need to look at. Even farther back in the pattern, if you go back when it bounced off of these levels at around 57 cents in the past, that allowed a parabolic spike up to 119 in 2021. So, you know, we're looking for some levels that are overwhelming support that can catapult you up. That's one of them. So let's get into this. Good evening. 6:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, October 29th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. Although it's getting a lot colder nowadays here in Michigan. We're going to be in the 20s tomorrow night. Right now it's in, upper 30s, low 40s. So definitely a big change, but we're here in the wintertime. Please make sure to hit that like button, as it can greatly, or not can, it will greatly help push me through the analytics. It'll help this community reach more viewership. I can't thank everybody enough for doing that. So XRP finds golden cross again. Can it help? Second time this year. XRP beats golden cross for second time this year, but it is unlikely to help it tremendously. The XRP chart has recently exhibited a technical pattern that has caught the attention of many investors and traders, the golden cross. It is not the first time this year that XRP has displayed this bullish indicator, but the burning question on everyone's mind is, can it drive XRP to new highs in the foreseeable future? For those unfamiliar, golden cross occurs when a short-term moving average, such as the 50-day moving average, crosses above a long-term moving average like the 200-day. This crossover typically suggests a potential bullish breakout, often leading to an upward trajectory in the asset's price. However, its previous appearance on the XRP chart earlier this year begs us to ponder its effectiveness. Remember what I said earlier this year when the golden cross happened? It's not that we've invalidated this cross. It's just that we're going to need to hold this, and now we can finally break this golden cross. We needed to consolidate. We consolidated about 57.5% from the top. This is beautiful. That's what you want. Now we need to carry through, the follow through. While XRP did experience a positive price action post the golden cross, it did not sustain a long-term rally, especially when compared to market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both of these crypto giants have seen remarkable price surges in recent weeks, significantly outpacing XRP. So is the golden cross still relevant? Remember, everybody, you need to let it play through. This weekly isn't even closed. We need to close over 55 cents to try to push back through the golden cross. It's not even invalidated yet until 8 o'clock, or revalidated that this golden cross will extend out. That's just from a technical standpoint. You should cross the 20 back through that 100-day. I know it's already come back to the 200 and the 50. We're just waiting for it to come through the 100 to reconfirm that breakthrough. So is the golden cross still relevant for XRP? If past performance is any gauge, or gouge, the golden cross, while a generally bullish sign, does not guarantee an extended uptrend for XRP. The broader market conditions, fundamentals, and investor sentiment also play crucial roles in determining the cryptocurrency's trajectory. Remember, the golden cross is a lagging indicator. So everybody who is waiting for it for the continuation, you have to consolidate down and hold that liquidity level. We talked about the 60% pullback down to 38 cents, or what was it, about 36, 37 cent area, somewhere in there, 36, we'll say. But that was the drop to satisfy a 60% drop, which the first two golden crosses did. Now we came down like 56.5%, 57%. So now, and of all three instances, you come down 57%. That's all you have to say. That doesn't mean it has to go down there. This divergence has left many investors scratching their heads, especially considering the general bullish sentiment in the broader crypto market. That said, while the Golden Cross can provide an optimistic outlook for XRP, relying solely on this technical indicator might not provide a full picture. That is putting it lightly. So now with XRP, we're at 5571. It's had a beautiful weekend like we thought it would. Up 2.22%. The sign of the angels are leading us in the right direction as well. So XRP, if it does get this breakup, we talked about how we're on a bull flag, not a bear flag. Despite popular belief, because we had such a drop, this is the general analysis right here. This is the chart that most people have that cover XRP. They say we've broken out of a bear flag, and I say not so fast, my friends. You very well could do this, but I think it was a bear flag in disguise within a bull flag, and I actually drew in the bull flag as well on this chart and the rising channel, because that's where it would end up coming up as it succeeds further. Because 55 and 57, although they're pivot levels, if you're just playing the playing field from the pattern to pattern, rising channel from June of 22, the resistance of that is up at 63 cents, and then the pattern formation on this bear flag that we have acknowledged, we diagnosed, and we recognized very early on that this was a bear flag in disguise, and it's actually a small bull flag, and we will be able to tell if you can break out of the bull flag at 63 cents, or if you get rejected up there would be a key that this pattern is very bearish. But if you get on top of that, then you've got 71, you've got 70 or 85 over the top. There's a lot of nice things that can happen. The 93 above that. So make sure you pay attention to what I'm saying, and you tune out the noise and you pay attention to the levels. If XRP is bearish, it's simple. At some point, you would see it come down to this 532 and break it, break the 524 pivot, and end up on the bottom side of this bear or bull flag. And then we can say, okay, well, now we're on the bear flag side. So let's say you get rejected at around the 506 level. That's how you know something's gone wrong. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. Please make sure to like this. If you got anything out of this, hit that subscribe button and join the over 18,600 subscribers. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Hit that like button, please. And remember, take care of each other, because the way we treat each other is the biggest indictment on humanity. It truly, truly is, whether we want to admit it or not.